If you lived it, you already know. Sometimes your season don't come loud. Sometimes it sound like survival. Oh Lord, I've been sowing in the dark when nobody claps, holding on to faith when my strength collapsed. Tears in my eyes, but I still believe, even when the world said it wasn't for me. Late nights crying, asking when, felt like the road would never bend. But deep inside, something said, your time is coming, just don't quit yet. Now I feel it breaking through. Everything is shifting into view.
This is the sound
of my season.
Hear it now.
Every door that was closed is opening somehow. What was buried is rising. I feel it loud. This is a sound.
This is the sound.
Right now. This is a sound.
This is the
So
sound.
clear.
So clear.
Everything I prayed for is finally here. No more waiting, no more fear. This is my time.
This is the
My season is here. Oh. I wore my pain like a second skin, smiled on the outside, fought within. People doubted, counted me out, but they couldn't hear what I hear now. Every setback was building me. Every delay was preparing me. Now the weight that I used to carry turned into strength, and now I'm ready. You can feel it in the air tonight. Everything is turning in my life. I cried, I prayed, I held on. Didn't look like it, didn't feel like it, but something kept telling me,
stay right there.
your season coming. Sound.
This is a
Hear me now.
season.
I done been lost, but I'm found somehow. What was broken, turn around. This is a sound, and I'm standing now. No stage, just grace. That's the sound of my season.